Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another gorgeous 7x16 off-road trailer we have in stock. This one is a 2019, again, 7x16 in a white blackout package. This one is equipped with the Moab package that you guys can see online at our website. It lists out, if you go right to coloradotrailersinc.com and build my off-road trailer, it lists out for you guys the different options, what they include, the sizes available, etc. This one, again, is stock number 14936. This one's on sale at $15,977 plus tax. Does come with an extended triple tube tongue front generator platform, removable front coupler, and a side swivel jack. You also have the nice diamond plate rock art along the bottom, as well as diamond plate wrapped corners. Great LED exterior running lights on these units as well, so you guys can really see where these are at night. Side door is moved back, has double lock protection with an RV lock and cam bar, plus it has a slider window with a screen in it as part of that Moab package. This one is equipped with power as well, so you can see you've got an exterior GFI outlet located right there. Two of the recessed LED light bars on the side. These are great lights, super bright, gives you guys plenty of light here at night. Plus you've got that 7x7 all aluminum roof rack with ladder there on top. Great for a couple 100 pounds dispersed, great for kayaks, rafts, that kind of a thing. Two 3,500-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, black American racing wheels, black diamond plate fender. Very cool. Gives you guys about 19 to 20 inches worth of ground clearance on these off-road trailers, so you guys can really get off-road and have some fun. Drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it. It's also equipped with the rear deck option, so it has stabilizer jacks on it. So you guys can use this as a ramp like this, or you can put those jacks down and it folds out parallel and essentially gives you a rear deck. Some exterior space there. Here's a good shot of this side of the trailer. And then on the interior, we've got our awesome Nudo floor with Maxx. I love this product. It's super durable, so you guys have a great durable surface here on top. Underneath this black surface that you guys see right here is a product called Maxx. Maxx does not absorb any water or moisture. It's essentially a water resistant product for you guys. That's also on the underneath side of the trailer, so great for longevity purposes. It's a nice upgrade over your standard wood floor. We do have two LED spotlights off the back here, and the light switch for that is right there, so you guys can drop this ramp door and immediately get some light at night to see what you're doing. 7-foot interior height. It's going to give you guys about 6'6" at the rear door here, and these units are great for UTVs and side-by-sides. We own a Razor 1000 4-seater with 32-inch tires on it. We can fit it in these units no problem. Kind of give you guys an idea for size. 4 D-rings in the floor, ready to go for tie-down points. Plus you've got E-track in the walls, which is great. Gives you guys places to tie down, but it also is great. You guys can build bunks and all kinds of stuff off of there. Again, insulated walls, insulated ceiling, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. This aluminum liner is great. It's easy to take care of. You can wipe it down. Doesn't collect a lot of condensation if you guys plan on sleeping in here. So lots of nice uses for that. Plus it looks clean. 4 LED puck lights. We've got 2 on each side. These are great, bright, efficient little lights. They do have toggle switches on them. And those are linked right here to your light switch. So we're going to talk about power options with this unit. We have 2 different power sources in here for you guys. One is this great battery inside the battery box with a battery charger. That's going to run your nice little LED puck lights. It's also going to run those exterior party lights that you guys see on the side, those light bars, and your rear spots. So you guys don't have to be plugged into a vehicle to get light on the interior and exterior of your trailer, which is a great feature. Now we also have 30 amp service, which is this right here. You guys take this cord, pop it right through the floor into your generator, go into your campground extension cord, however you're going to power the trailer. That's going to power up for you guys your interior outlets. Excuse me. So we have 2 right here, one next to that side door and another one in the back. It's also going to power up these 4-foot LEDs for you guys along the ceiling, as well as your AC unit with a heat strip. So it gives you guys a lot of options for power and a lot of different choices that you guys can have with the trailer and what you're going to do with it. Now again, you can always go to our website at coloradotrailersinc.com. Right there we have a tab that says Build My Off-Road Trailer. It'll list out everything for you guys. You can submit a quote. We'll get it priced out for you. We ship, so don't worry about not being near us. That is okay. And as always, we would love to earn your business. Give us a call, 303-688-8485, or again, coloradotrailersinc.com.